Today we are going to start our Bosevana program with an important topic for you. The pregnant mothers and their husbands. We cordially welcome Miss Kalmani Madduwage, well-known counsellor for our program. Ayubowan.
Ayubowan.
First of all, tell us why the stress which exists everywhere in the world, especially for the pregnant mother.
First, I will introduce you to what stress is and then we'll answer you. It is correct if I say stress simply means a mental condition which occurs when something or some incident goes beyond the level of toleration. In terms of pregnant mothers, as she always secretes hormones of stress, just a little poking can make her stressed.
That means such a person can turn even a simple problem to a serious conflict?
This doesn't happen to all the pregnant mothers. Some ladies have faced different kind of problems for her whole life and adapted to face such situations. But some people don't have that. So they are the ones who see even a little issue as complicated. Let's think about some challenging situations in the family, office, or the neighborhood, such as a sickness or an unexpected physical or mental pain. These things can be a huge problem for a pregnant mother. But for someone who faces such situations occasionally, it doesn't affect in a serious way.
Could you tell us how a pregnant mother, such stressful, painful condition?
A good question. A strong tiredness, headache, muscular pain, back pain, leg pain, insomnia. All these indicates the stressful condition. This condition can lead from fear, alarm to mental depression. That happens only if it continues.
Can this condition affect the baby?
Well, sometimes those who are watching the program would like to know that. Actually, yes. 10% of the hormones of stress passes to the baby through umbilical cord. Therefore, the baby also gets affected. Hormones secrete as a result of positive impulses too. They are the ones which brings happiness. Hormones of stress, which brings sadness, disappointment, secretes as a result of negative impulses. It should be tried to secrete the best one out of those two.
Yes, that is something to think of. Here we have got a phone call. Yes, speaking.
Thank you very much for answering my call. My name is Anula. I'm calling you from Ududumbara. I'm pregnant and it's 4 months now. My first pregnancy was a miscarriage when it was 2 months. I'm very scared if the same thing happens again. What should I do?
Thank you very much for calling us. And I'm very sorry about what happened to you. Let's ask about it from our counselor, Miss Kalmini.
Your fear is fair. But being scared of something will lead to secrete stress hormones in your body. Stay strong and think about the future. All the people in this world have their own problems. So be cautious and relax your body and live happily with the baby in your womb. Let your husband join too. Your religion also can do so much here.
With Anula's problem, a common social issue has come out. Isn't it, Miss Kalmani? The way the pregnant lady is suffering from old dark memories at the present. So, how can we minimize this situation?
Yes, here are few important facts. If there are any reasons which would make the pregnant lady stressed, her family members should try to minimize them and make a comfortable environment for her. If any problem occurs between the husband and wife, they should try their level best to solve these issues for the sake of their baby. Keep her away from the unsafe environmental conditions and help her to go through a positive mindset.
Alright, Miss Kalmini, actually this is a question by me. Should a pregnant lady think about her pregnancy period as an opportunity she got for her self-development?
Obviously. Not only as just a pregnant lady, But also, you should strongly face this. Actually, a girl becomes a mother with 4 strong powers called Metta, Karuna, Mudita, and Upeka. Her kindness makes 2 hearts combined. So, read great books, magazines at this time of your pregnancy. You will get the maximum help from your partner, your parents, the medical officers also. And by feeding yourself with best nutrients, give your body a good relaxation by walking freely, by yoga exercises, and also by other relaxation exercises. Listen to beautiful light music. Be kind to the environment. Get close to the animals around you and share your beautiful experiences with your baby. Get rid of bad food and stay away from the bad loud noises. Don't listen to bad stories and chats. Don't even see them. And don't ever go to such bad places.
Now we know if the stressful mindset in the pregnancy period cannot be controlled, it would lead to depression. And once I have read that this would continue even after the delivery. What's your answer?
Yes, you're correct. Learn to live with a conscious mind. It would help you to be free from so many problems.
Alright, so thank you so much, psychiatrist Miss Kalmani. We are very thankful to you for joining us today.